Hello everyone, friends. New arrivals have come in. Let me show you up close now. Look, everything is in these gift boxes. Well, you guessed it. The famous German manufacturer Meissen, or however it's correctly pronounced, correct me in the comments. Look, like this. Such a plate. And here's a cup like this. But these are modern things, meaning they're not my old ones, they're modern. Now I'll just show you what colors we have. So here's a blue one. There's also a saucer that comes with it. Look how beautiful it all looks. So what's next? What color do we have here? Here we have this delicate pink. And of course it also comes with this little cup. Look how beautiful it all looks. So, and the last cup here will have this kind of painting. And of course the saucer. It costs 420 Belarusian rubles, which is roughly around 12,000 Russian rubles, give or take. So if you like it, feel free to write or call.